Hey guys, Alex here. So, another product of the day. This is a coffee, Mr. Coffee mug warmer. This is selling like crazy on Amazon.com right now. And you basically, you're always reheating the coffee in the microwave and all this other stuff. By the way, we actually do have a microwave here. We rarely use it, right? So it's not very good for your body. But anyway, this is a coffee mug warmer that you rest your coffee on. You could be in the car, you could be at home, you could be by your desk at work, right? And it's constantly warming your coffee, so you don't have to keep on reheating it, right? And this is selling really well right now. It meets the specs. First of all, simple, lightweight, small turnover, right? And it's actually, some people on there that have got less than 100 reviews launched this particular product. So the next step for these particular products is you need to obviously do your own research, find out what the numbers are for this month for this particular product. It is a seemingly techie product. It's still relatively simple. Like, you're not selling drones, right? Or you're not selling, these particular products, right? Which are sort of like iPhone holders and Qi chargers combined in one. It is still a relatively simple product with a bit of tech involved, but it's USB charged, which makes it a little bit simpler, all right? So have a look at it, guys. Have a fantastic day. If you're looking for more hot product ideas, hit me up. Give us a call in the office, 02 8003 7534. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.